So for those of you who want to buy breakout stocks in the US market, I have created a custom filter which I will share with you now. So have a look at this filter. I have standardized it. You can customize it as per your preference. Let me first explain that filter to you. Okay. So go to the screener in, where is the screener? Yeah, here. Go to stock screener. Open this. Okay. First, make this US market. Okay. This is US. Then make this daily. Okay. Then go to filters. Now see, these are the filters I have put in here. So first, symbol type has to be common stock. Okay, we don't want any other thing. We are only trading common stocks. Country needs to be United States. Exchange is NASDAQ and NYSE, where there are thousands of stocks there. Market capitalization is the total market value of the company, which is the number of shares multiplied by the total number of shares outstanding. Sorry, the total number of shares outstanding multiplied by the price. So minimum 5 billion market cap and above 5 million any company. Okay, above 5 billion. Average volume, now we want 50-day, but 50-day filter is not available. So average volume, take 30-day, make this 200K. So the shares should have an average daily volume of 200,000 shares or more. So this is for liquidity. Again, this is again for liquid stocks, market capitalization, 5 billion minimum, because there are stocks in US which have $1 trillion market cap. So you could go with minimum $5 billion. Change percentage. So the daily percentage change should be above -5%. Now, why this is important? So if you are trading breakout stocks, okay, and imagine one stock has fallen more than 5% in a single day, I recommend not to trade that stock, because for it to break out, it will first have to travel a 5% distance, then come to your buy point and then go up, right? So any stock which has crashed more than 5%, it should not be in your watch list. So the percentage change should be above -5. So it could be -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, that is acceptable. Okay. Next is simple moving average. The simple moving average to 20-day simple should be below the price. So that means, in other words, the price is above the 20-day simple moving average, which indicates uptrending stock, because you are buying breakout growth stocks. Then you have simple moving average 50 days below the price again. So the price has to be above the 50-day moving average, simple. And within the moving averages, the 200-day should be below the 50-day. So which means the 50-day should be above the 200-day. So if we look at this, see, this is 50-day, this is 150-day, sorry, yeah. So 50-day, 150-day, and 200 days. So the 50 days above the 200 day, you can put 20-day moving average as well. The price should be above the 20-day moving average. So these are the 9 filters. There is one more filter which I have added here. This you are allowed to tweak. So yearly performance. So every stock on this list, okay, has a yearly performance of 40. So that means in the past 1 year, that stock has gone up minimum 40%. So this is called as relative strength. So this number you can tweak. So currently, if we put this filter, you will see there are 101 matches. So out of thousands of stocks, this filter is filtering out for you 101 stocks. Okay. So if you look at here, this is yearly performance. Okay. The minimum performance is 40% in this list, and the maximum is 276%. So this stock MSTR has gone up 276% in the last 1 year. So these are the best performing stocks in the US market, provided they meet the liquidity requirements and the market capitalization requirements and the percentage change requirements. So you can go here, You can put percentage change in the column market cap, price, volume, and yearly performance. So those numbers will show here. Okay. So yearly performance, you can sort it by yearly performance. You can sort it by price as well. So this is the highest priced stock per share, and this is the lowest priced stock per share. So if you see these four stocks, they are priced at below $20. Okay. I would recommend any stock which is below $15, 1 5. Just stay away because that could be a penny stock. So these two stocks will not come in your watch list. Okay. These 105 matches, by the way, our goal is to select 10 stocks out of these 105. We have to look at the chart of each stock and see which stock is consolidating. And out of 105, you have to select the best setups. And how to select these setups, I will explain in other videos. Watch my other videos, what I look for in a stock. But our goal is to go from thousands of stocks to 105, which we have done with this filter. This number should be between 100 and 150. Okay, that is a understandable number, reasonable number, because you can scan those many stocks. So if I increase this to 50, that number decreases. See, that number decreases because I have increased the criteria. I have made it more strict. But if I decrease it to 30, that number will increase. Okay, see. Now that number increases to 158. So this is the only filter that I want you to start tweaking. By default, it is 40%, but you can tweak this number to get to the number you want here. This number should be between 100 and 150. You will look at all those charts, and out of those 100 to 150 stocks, you will select the 10 best setups, the 10 best stocks which are consolidating, which are in uptrend, and which are just about to break out. Okay. And out of those 10, for the next day, you will buy one or two stocks. Okay. Whichever start moving up and cross your buy point. So this is the idea. You start with NASDAQ, NYSE. From thousands of stocks, you come down to 100 or 150. We use this filter. And then after you get these stocks, then you look at the chart. So these are the basic filters. Now, this is something that you can change. Don't change anything else. You can just change this. If you want to make some additional filtering, at the max, you can change this, but don't change the moving averages. Don't change the percentage. Don't change the country and the exchange and volume requirement. These are some basic requirements. At the max, you can change the yearly performance and the market capitalization. You can shift it as per your requirements. Okay. But these are the filters that I would want you to use, because see, the fact that a stock has gone up 40% in 1 year indicates that people are buying, institutions are buying these stocks. These are the stocks out of the thousands which are in demand. So as a growth stock trader or as a breakout trader, your goal is to put your money in those stocks where money is coming. Okay. And these are the stocks where money has come. Otherwise, they wouldn't have gone up in the first place. Right. So that's the logic behind this filter. It takes into account a lot of things: the market capitalization, the liquidity, the price, the moving averages, the percentage change per day, the annual performance, relative strength. Everything is combined in this filter. So please take this filter seriously. Do some research on these stocks. Go back to each of these charts and see where you could have bought. See, every chart, every stock in this list must have broken out from a base previously. So check that base, study that base. Once you understand that base, your trading skill will improve. The way you identify a base will improve. Okay. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. You can customize this filter as you want. And this is free, by the way. This is TradingView platform. Everybody is using TradingView platform. So you don't need to buy any special service as such if you are using TradingView. And on top of that, if you have pro account of TradingView, it's even better, right? But I don't think for filters you need a pro account. So go to stock screener, make this US, make this daily time frame. You have this filter, then you can actually save this filter. You click here, save screen as. So I've given it a name. You can actually save that filter so that you don't have to keep changing it. And the next day, when you look at this, just come here and refresh this. So next day, the data updates, maybe next day you will have 120 stocks, or maybe you will have only 75 stocks with the same filter. It all depends on how the stocks have performed for that particular day. So I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any more questions, if you want to ask anything, if you want any clarifications on this filter, write to me in the comment section. I will make another video. Okay. Thank you so much.